Hello, this is my unboxing of the Reolink RLC-511 5 megapixel camera. I just got this in from Amazon today. Um, I own some 411 cams and those seem to be working out pretty well, and this one became available, so I decided to order it. Came in the usual Amazon packaging. Looks like there might be some literature in here, the usual screwdriver, network cable, um, weather connector for your RJ45, foam padding, and including the camera. Let's see what we got inside for the camera. Got the obvious SD card slot in the back, and the camera. This is a pretty big unit, I guess, for the varifocal features. It's kind of bulky. Anyways, I just thought I'd share my video with y'all. Got some solid aluminum construction. Alrighty, well, thank you very much.